you never chop unripe plantain moimoi before, or you no know how they prepare am, oh yeah jare, carry chair come sit down for here, cross your leg and make sure you watch this video to the very end, because if you skip anything you go miss am all. And after you don watch and reach the very end, make sure say you follow me in all my social media platforms, and make sure say you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Else as body dey totori me. Hello beautiful peoples, how na dey now, and welcome to another exciting video. I know say some people dey when e be say they are allergic to moimoi. When I talk about moimoi, I mean the beans moimoi. Some people dey when they chop moimoi like this, they go dey push, they shit. So this kind people when I dey talk, so now then get this video. I beg watch this video. This food they eat is so healthy. Now wetin make me like am? It is so healthy, and anybody fit chop am. Baby fit chop am, adult fit chop am, old fit chop am. And the good thing about this moimoi be say it is healthy, nutritious, everything when you dey look for, wey body need, e compile in full inside this moimoi. My darlings, all you need to do now to follow these procedures. It is so simple to cook, e no hard at all. Yes, and also you fit use and chop anything, things like custard, things like pap. You know they select it is plenty. So my beautiful peoples, if na don't watch this video reach this place, I want make una run go down the comment section. Tell me, are you gonna be trying this, or shey you don test am before? If na yes, tell me how the taste be, and please don't be stingy. Share this video, follow me, subscribe. I love you guys.
Oh yeah, move. What's your